In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SaneBox, an incredible tool designed to help you regain control over your cluttered email inbox in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and walk through the straightforward process together, ensuring that by the end, you'll be set up to enjoy a more organized and manageable email experience. To begin your journey with SaneBox, open your favorite web browser and type SaneBox into the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll be presented with a selection of results. Look for the website with the URL sanebox.com. This should appear as one of the top links in your search results. Click on it to head to the SaneBox homepage. Once you're on the site, you'll spot an inviting button labeled Try It Now for Free. Click on this button to start setting up your very own SaneBox account. You have the option to sign up using your Google or Yahoo account for a streamlined process. Alternatively, if you prefer or need to use a different email, type in your email address and proceed by clicking on Create Account. Follow the prompts to provide any additional information required, and don't forget to accept those all-important terms and conditions when you're asked. Now that you're signed up, SaneBox will work its magic by syncing with your email account. Give it a moment, and it will start compiling and organizing your emails for you. As it completes this setup, take a deep breath and imagine having a tidy inbox at your fingertips. Within a few minutes, you'll notice the appearance of new folders, or labels, as they're called in Gmail, in your email application. These may include folders such as @SaneLater, @SaneNews, @SaneBlackHole, among others. If you're using an email client like Thunderbird, you might need to restart or manually subscribe to the new IMAP folders for them to appear. SaneBox's intelligent filtering system kicks in right away, automatically sorting non-urgent emails into these designated folders. This keeps your main inbox focused solely on critical messages, helping you prioritize what truly matters. To train SaneBox and personalize it to your specific email habits, simply drag emails between folders. Move one from your inbox to @SaneLater or @SaneNews, or vice versa. By doing so, SaneBox learns from your organizational preferences and ensures future messages from those senders go directly to the correct folder. Returning to the SaneBox dashboard, you'll uncover even more features designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your inbox further. There's the @SaneBlackHole folder, perfect for getting rid of those pesky senders you never want to hear from again. Simply drag their email into this folder, and their history. No more inbox appearances from them. Additionally, if you're not ready to act on an email just yet, SaneBox offers a nifty snooze feature. Forward an email to an address like latertoday@sanebox.com, and it'll vanish from view only to reappear in your inbox at a time that suits you better. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering SaneBox and enjoying a cleaner, more efficient email experience. Happy organizing!